Democratic Republic of the Yoruba, a sovereign nation, is the newest nation in West Africa. Meanwhile, the colonial arrangement known as Nigeria is engaging in acts of terrorism and encroachment on Democratic Republic of the Yoruba sovereign land. Urgent notification. Those who came to 10 Downing Street on October 12, 2024, claiming they are Yoruba who brought a document, an exhibit of crime, to your office have committed serious crimes against Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. Your Excellency, Democratic Republic of the Yoruba Provisional Government, headed by Mobolaji Olawale Akinola Omokore, President, hereby brings to your attention that on the 12th day of October 2024, some people who claim to be Yoruba, whom we are conducting serious investigation, we were informed and yet unconfirmed that some were hired crowd. They came to your government office at 10 Downing Street to commit major crimes against we, the indigenous Yoruba people, and our government, Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. Upon conclusion of Democratic Republic of the Yoruba Provisional Government, thorough investigations, we will present details of the crimes they have committed to your office in order for us to obtain lists of exhibits from your government. Democratic Republic of the Yoruba Provisional Government is presenting this urgent notification to your government because we are expecting your government cooperation in providing us with the list of exhibits of the crimes committed by these people at your official government office. The list of exhibits include the copy of the petition submitted to your government, video of their presence on your ground, and so on. Democratic Republic of the Yoruba Provisional Government will send an official request to your government very soon. This is just a notification of the list of exhibits we will be requesting from your government to support the crimes committed. Democratic Republic of the Yoruba Provisional Government is also using this opportunity to inform your government that we, the indigenous Yoruba people, do not have any type of monarch on our sovereign land, especially and specifically from the 12th day of April 2024. Democratic Republic of the Yoruba is a genuine republic with no existence of any type of monarch. We would like your government to be aware that should any individual or individual family members present themselves as Yoruba, Oba or King, or Yoruba royalty to your embassies, business investors, or to your government, such individual must be seen as committing crimes against indigenous Yoruba people of Democratic Republic of the Yoruba, and our government must be notified immediately. We have no issue with the presentation as an ordinary Yoruba individual, but the presentation as Oba or King is a serious crime against us. The definition of a republic is a state in which supreme power is held by the people and their elected representatives, and which has an elected or nominated president rather than a monarch. Modern republics are founded on the idea that sovereignty rests with the people. The Provisional Government of Democratic Republic of the Yoruba believe that your government have all the details to this effect, since the British Empire, the former colonialists, stripped off the role of monarch and basically ended reign of monarch on Yoruba ancestral land. Meanwhile, we would like to state herein that we, the indigenous Yoruba people of Democratic Republic of the Yoruba, do not expect your Excellency, UK government, to recognize our reclaimed new nation, Democratic Republic of the Yoruba, since you are the former colonial master of the geographical area known as Nigeria, which amalgamation expired in 2014. Your Excellency, thank you for taking time to read or listen to this very important notification. God bless the United Kingdom. God bless Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. With regards.